feel like my hair is like burning. I like it. I like it. Oh my god, I like it.
Tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be myself.
I'm always forgetting something. Like, I do not have any grease to curl my hair with. The light is green, so I'm assuming that means it's ready. So earlier it was red, so green is ready. So I am basically, I swung my hair like I got hair. Alright, so I'm going to use this Blue Magic here, which is just the coconut. Because I don't have any curling wax. I got to get some. So back in the day, I used to use this when I would curl my hair.
Over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with it. I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with it. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're
My arm hurts. I don't know if you can see that. I ain't curled my hair in over since what, 2014. My arm hurts. Okay. All right, so let me I don't know where to start. I feel like my hair is like burning. I literally feel like my hair is sizzling as I'm doing this. Your touch so soft. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. I'm trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know. Girl, my room is like literally smoking right now. That's how hot this thing is. Like, and yeah, turn it off. I don't know, I just have to get used to it. I don't know. One of the things that I love about being relaxed now is that I can use this olive oil here. This olive oil, I've had this for like literally the whole entire 4 years that I was natural. I could not use it. Oh my god, I like it. Ooh, and this smells so good. Oh my gosh. I'll be back with the final finale in a bit. Okay? Okay? It chose the way. Not looking for no